I use pneumatic fasteners all the time, but sometimes you run into occasions where you just have to hand nail something. This is one. I'm fastening the top of the planter to the base, and in order to do that, I want to use this 8-penny headed nail so that the head has a good bite into the cedar and really holds it in place. Can't really do that with a finish nail. So my concern is that the cedar is really soft. And if I have a swing and a miss, I'm going to kiss that cedar and I'm probably going to mar it. Another problem here could be you're working on projects with your kids, you're teaching them to use a hammer, and their hammer use is a lot like lightning. It never hits twice in the same spot. So here's a really easy way to not have a problem. Take a piece of scrap, thin, 1/8 inch or so, cut that notch in it, use that notch to surround the nail. Now as I swing, if I miss, I'm hitting the scrap instead of my cedar. Stop before the head engages with that piece of scrap or you'll never get it out of there. And then from there, we can finish that off with a nail set. To make sure that that nail goes in without the hammer ever marring the surface of that soft cedar.